Does the term Palestine appear in the Quran? The answer is no. The Quran, written in the 7th century, mentions many nations, historical figures, and geographical regions, but it does not mention Palestine. Instead, it uses expressions such as the Holy Land or the land that was granted to the children of Israel. So, where does the name Palestine come from? Its origin goes back to the Roman period, when Emperor Hadrian changed the name of Judea to Palestina as a punishment to the Jews, centuries before Islam. The name continued to appear in Byzantine and Christian writings, but by the time the Quran was written, the term was not part of Islamic religious discourse. On the contrary, unlike the Roman and Christian position, Muhammad ignored this definition and stuck to the true historical name, Israel. The conclusion is clear. At the time the Quran was composed, there was no recognition of a land or entity called Palestine. The text refers to this land in broader terms, primarily as the land granted to the children of Israel. If you were to ask Muhammad, he would surely answer that the name Palestine is a completely Western term that goes against the will of God. The only term he supported was the land of Israel. If you agree, give it a like, and if you don't, prove me otherwise.